Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today I will share some powerful switch words to restore natural hair color. I will also share some frequency number and sacred codes and how to use them effectively. So please watch the video till the end. Nowadays we see that many people along with young kids are facing problem related to early graying of hair. So these switch words and codes will help them to get back their natural hair color. So the first switch word is reverse, restore, learn, innocence, trust. Next, put, with, hold, keep, anchor. Next is restore, restore, restore 3 times. Okay, and these are some frequency number and sacred codes. 1.05 Hertz, Hz is Hertz. Next is 68,467, 836, 699. Next is 78,966, 347, 689. And the last one is 5,484, 121. So these are the switch words and codes. What you will do is you will make a circle and write these codes and switch words inside. You can also write your name in the circle and you can charge water on this. You can drink that water. You can also keep a spray bottle on this and spray water from that on your hair. Okay, and you can keep your hair oil bottle, your shampoo bottle on this and charge it. You can also write switch words on a sticker and stick them on your hair oil and shampoo bottles. You can daily write some code of this on your left side of your body with a blue pen. Make the energy circle with a blue pen. Okay, and you can also watch my earlier video on how to use energy circle. I'll put that at the end of this video. And if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section, and for more such videos subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.